Hey everyone, welcome back to Ton Orbital. I'm Tonio, and today we're diving deep into STON.fi. By the end of this video, you'll know how to swap tokens, provide liquidity, and even earn passive income through farming and staking. STON.fi is the first decentralized exchange to launch on the Ton blockchain, offering virtually zero fees, low slippage, and an easy-to-use interface. It enables instant token swaps at competitive rates and gives users the ability to provide liquidity, farm, and stake the native STON token to maximize their earnings. Now let's get started. First, we need to go to the STON.fi website and click the Go to App button, which will take us directly to the swap page. STON.fi is a DEX, decentralized exchange, meaning you can swap cryptocurrencies instantly without relying on a centralized authority. Here's how it works. STON.fi operates using smart contracts, which are automated blockchain programs that handle swaps securely and transparently. Instead of using traditional order books, STON.fi relies on liquidity pools, enabling trades to be executed without needing a direct buyer or seller. There's no need to register, we just need to connect our wallet by hitting the connect button, selecting our desired wallet, and confirming the sync. Now, we will choose the token and the amount we want to swap. Here, we'll swap Ton for STON. Before confirming our swap, let's go through its details to help us understand exactly what we're getting. First, we have the token prices. The displayed rates show how much of one token you'll get in exchange for another. Next is max slippage, which is set to 1%. Slippage refers to the difference between the expected price of a trade and the actual executed price. If the price moves by more than 1% while your transaction is processing, the swap will not go through. This protects you from sudden price swings, ensuring you don't get a much worse rate than expected. Then we have minimum received. This guarantees the least amount of STON you'll receive after the swap, even if the market shifts slightly before the transaction is confirmed. Another key detail is price impact. When you swap tokens on STON.fi, you're trading directly with a pool of tokens, not an individual person. Each trade changes the balance of the pool, which affects the token price. If you trade a small amount, the effect is minimal and the price remains nearly the same. But if your trade is large relative to the pool size, it shifts the ratio of tokens in the pool, making the exchange rate less favorable for you. For example, if you're swapping Ton for STON, you're adding Ton to the liquidity pool and removing STON. If you swap a small amount, the price you get will be close to the market rate, but if you swap a large amount, you're significantly reducing the available STON in the pool, which makes each additional STON more expensive. This results in a higher price impact, meaning you receive fewer tokens than expected. Finally, we have the blockchain fee, which ranges from 0.05 to 0.3 Ton. This is the transaction fee required to process your swap on the Ton blockchain. If we go to the settings, we can set our max slippage and limit the price impact. We also have the option to check the STON to Ton prices in the STON.fi charts while swapping. After reviewing all the details, all we need to do is hit the swap button and confirm the transaction in our wallet. Make sure to have a little extra Ton in your wallet to cover the fees. And that's it, we've successfully swapped our Ton for STON. Now let's go to the pool section and provide liquidity, but before that, let's explain what a liquidity pool is. A liquidity pool is a smart contract that holds two tokens in a trading pair like Ton and STON to enable instant swaps on a decentralized exchange like STON.fi. Unlike traditional markets, trades happen automatically against the pool instead of matching buyers and sellers. Users, called liquidity providers, fund these pools by depositing equal values of both tokens, and in return, they earn a portion of the trading fees collected from swaps in the pool. Here we can see all the pools available for providing liquidity, and some even have farming enabled, which I will explain later. Now, let's go through what each of these pool metrics means. APR is the annual yield of a pool, calculated from the last 24 hours of data. This is how much liquidity providers would earn in a year if volume and liquidity remain unchanged. But rates fluctuate daily, and past performance doesn't guarantee future returns. TVL is the total value of tokens locked in the liquidity pool, expressed in dollars. The higher it is, the larger transactions are available in this pair, and the lower the risk of experiencing a significant price impact. The volume 24 hours is the trading volume in this pair over the past 24 hours. The higher it is, the more popular this pair is among traders, and therefore, the higher the income for liquidity providers. And my liquidity shows the total value of your provided funds expressed in dollars. Now let's provide liquidity. Here we can search for a token or filter the list using different options. Since we want a pool with farming enabled, we'll choose the STON USDT pool. Here we can see the APRs for the last 30 days, the farm APR, which is the additional APR earned on top of liquidity rewards, and V2, which indicates the version of the liquidity pool. This pool also has an extra feature called IL offset, which provides impermanent loss protection. Before we dive into that, let's first understand what impermanent loss is, one of the main risks that all liquidity providers should fully understand. Providing liquidity on a decentralized exchange like STON.fi allows you to earn trading fees, but it also comes with risks. One major risk is impermanent loss, which happens when the price of the tokens in your liquidity pool changes significantly after you deposit them. This occurs because liquidity pools work by maintaining a balance between two tokens. When the price of one token rises or falls compared to the other, the pool automatically adjusts its ratio, which can affect the total value of your deposit. Let's say you add liquidity to a token A, token B pool. When you deposit, 1A equals 100B, so you provide 1A and 100B, making your total deposit $200. Say that the pool contains 10A and 1000B, meaning your share of the pool is 10%. Now, if the price of token A increases, and instead of 1A equals 100B, it now equals 400B, arbitrage traders will adjust the pool by adding more B and removing A until the pool reflects the new price. Eventually, the pool reaches 5A and 2000B, meaning your 10% share now allows you to withdraw 0.5A and 200B. At the new price, 0.5A is worth $200 and 200B is worth $200, so your total withdrawal is $400. While this looks like a profit, if you had simply held onto your original 1A and 100B outside the pool, their new value would be $500 instead of $400. The $100 difference is your impermanent loss, the reduction in value caused by price changes while your tokens were in the pool. However, this loss is called impermanent because it only becomes permanent if you withdraw your liquidity while the price difference still exists. If the price of token A returns to its original ratio, the loss disappears, and you withdraw your full value. The more the price ratio changes, the greater the impermanent loss. For example, a 25% price increase leads to a 0.6% loss, and a 50% increase results in a 2% loss. However, liquidity providers earn a portion of the trading fees from every swap, which can help offset impermanent loss over time. Since impermanent loss occurs when token prices change after adding liquidity, STON.fi has introduced impermanent loss protection to help offset some of these losses and provide more security for liquidity providers. This feature is currently available only for the STON USDT V2 pool and allows users to recover up to 5.72% of their impermanent loss, which corresponds to a 50% drop in the STON price. The program is designed to make liquidity provision safer by covering a portion of potential losses. Each month, STON.fi allocates a $10,000 budget to compensate liquidity providers with a maximum offset of $100 per user, paid in STON tokens. The best part is that the compensation is credited automatically, so there's no need to submit a claim. However, this protection only applies if the price of STON decreases during the specified period. The details will be announced in their Telegram channel, so make sure to check it out. Now, let's provide liquidity. We just need to hit the Add Liquidity button and supply an equal value of STON and USDT. After selecting the deposit amount, we will click Preview Liquidity Provision, confirm the details, and approve the transaction in our wallet. And that's it. We have successfully provided liquidity, and the fees will automatically be added to our deposited fund. If we want to check our liquidity position, we need to go to Pools section, open My Pools, and choose the desired one. After providing liquidity, we received LP tokens in our wallet, which represent our share of the liquidity pool. These tokens must remain in our wallet if we ever want to withdraw our liquidity. If we scroll down, we can see the farming pool information, including the duration, reward token, and its distribution. Before we start farming, let's quickly understand what it is. Farming lets you earn extra rewards by providing liquidity and staking LP tokens. On STON.fi, there are multiple farming pools where projects offer token rewards to attract liquidity. A smart contract distributes rewards based on your share in the pool. The more LP tokens you stake, the higher your earnings. Some farms lock LP tokens for a set period, while others allow instant withdrawals. Now, we just need to hit the farm button, choose the amount of LP tokens we want to use for farming, review the details, confirm, and approve the transaction in our wallet. All set, we are now farming on STON.fi. Scrolling down, we can view our liquidity and our farming rewards, which will be distributed daily and we'll need to claim them manually. If we'd like to grow our farming rewards, we can provide more liquidity by selecting Add Liquidity and farm even more. Rewards can be claimed anytime, but it's more efficient to wait until a larger amount is collected to minimize claiming fees. We just need to hit the claim button and confirm the transaction in our wallet. To remove our liquidity from farming, we simply need to press the minus button, confirm the removal, and approve the transaction in our wallet. This action will not only exit farming, but also withdraw any unclaimed rewards. Now, we can withdraw our liquidity from the pool. We just need to scroll down, hit the withdraw button, choose the amount we want to withdraw. Here, we'll select 100% and approve the transaction in our wallet. And that's it. We have successfully withdrawn our liquidity back to our wallet. Now, let's go to the stake section, but before we start staking, let's understand what staking is and how it works on STON.fi. Staking is the process of locking up your cryptocurrency in a smart contract to earn rewards. Unlike providing liquidity, where your tokens are used in trading pools, staking simply involves freezing your STON tokens for a period of time in exchange for unique benefits. Currently, STON.fi offers STON token staking, allowing users to participate in the ecosystem while earning special rewards. First is ARKENSTON, a soul-bound NFT that is permanently linked to your wallet and cannot be sold or transferred. In the future, ARKENSTON will serve as an entry ticket to the STON.fi DAO, a decentralized organization where users can participate in decision-making about the platform's development. The second reward is GEMSTON, a community token from the STON.fi ecosystem that is tradable on STON.fi and other exchanges. While its mechanics will be determined by the DAO, it acts as an additional incentive for staking. To help users plan their staking, STON.fi provides a staking calculator in the Stake tab, allowing you to estimate how much GEMSTON you'll earn based on your staking amount and duration. Next, we will set the STON lockup duration to determine the GEMSTON we get and the voting power we can use in the future. After choosing, we will hit the stake button, confirm the stake, and approve the transaction in our wallet. And done! We have successfully staked STON, and we will be able to unstake after 6 months by coming back to this page and hitting the unstake button, which will be available. We can also stake more funds by hitting the restake button. And finally, in the More section, there are links to STON.fi's Telegram channel, guide, website, and OmniStone, a unified decentralized liquidity protocol. It aggregates liquidity from multiple DEX and resolvers to offer you the best price across the blockchain and execute trades. You can read more about it if you like. And that's it. You now have a complete understanding of STON.fi, from swapping tokens and providing liquidity to farming, staking, and even protecting against impermanent loss. Whether you're just getting started or looking to optimize your DeFi experience, STON.fi offers a powerful and user-friendly way to trade and earn on the TON blockchain. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for updates. Stay informed with the latest TON news by following us on Telegram and Twitter. Links are in the description. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.